Today we're going to review the Sonic Electric Toothbrush. 5 brushing modes, 3 intensity level. It's cordless charging, so once it is charged, you don't have to keep it on the charger. Very long lasting battery. It's basically 100 days of battery life, which is very, very long. So this is going to be perfect for your traveling needs. So let's unpack it. Let's see. It is waterproof, so if you choose to, you can keep it in your shower. Of course, it has 3 buttons. And it has a charger reminder, so it lets you know when you need to charge. These are all the hats that it comes with, so very convenient, really enough for the entire family. And this is the actual toothbrush itself. So really nice charging case that it comes with. Very nice, slick black color. There's enough space in here for 2 of your hats if you're traveling with it. And then here is your actual charger.